So we learned about correlation coefficient in the last video, and now for this one we're going to talk about the line of best fit. So the line of best fit, that is a straight line that helps describe the correlation between data sets clearly. This line follows the same direction as most of the data points and has an even amount of points above and below it. And so here we see an example of a line of best fit. It goes right in the middle between all of the points, follows the same direction, and there's roughly the same amount of points above and below it. And you kind of see that's what I was kind of doing in those other examples. I was trying to make my own line of best fit to kind of see how the correlation was and how close to a 1 or -1 it was. And so now we're actually going to, in the next video, use Desmos to find our correlation coefficient and line of best fit. And so to do that, we're going to enter the table in, and then we're going to add the next step of clicking on the next line and typing this in. Once we do that, it's going to tell us our M and it's going to tell us our B. And so if you remember, that is our M is the slope and B is our y-intercept. And so we can use those to write down our equation as y equals mx plus b. And then Desmos is also going to tell you the correlation coefficient. And remember, that is the r value. It's not going to be the r squared. But we can go ahead and move on to the next video, and we will actually practice this with an example.